Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get play points in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just click on this icon. As you can see here, just click on it. Now you can see various options how you can earn play points, and next is how you can use these play points. So if you have a credit, you can purchase some Google Play credits, or you can purchase some different games coins or anything here which are available. And next is perks. So here you can claim your play points price after every 7 days. So you can see in my case it's available on the respective date. As you can see on this date and onwards, this claim option will be available. So I've already collected earlier, so you can see right now my present play points balance, as you can see here. So you can keep checking under this perk in order to claim this play points prices, and you can earn also directly by completing some task which is on here right now in my case. So by this way you can easily get play points in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.